2 plus 3 gives us 5. And then we know that if a number is placed next to parentheses, that means multiplication. So 10 divided by 5 times 5 is going to be the next equation. And 5 times 5 is 25. And 10 divided by 25 is going to be the next equation. And we are going to get a fraction like 10 over 25 or 1 over 2.5. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, I am going to write the order of operation here real quick. So according to the rule PEMDAS, so I write here, so P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to solve parentheses, and then after we solve all the parentheses, we have to move to exponent, and then after we solve the exponent, we have to move to multiplication, and then finally addition. So if we solve multiplication before parentheses, that is not correct. And if we solve addition before multiplication, again, that is not correct because we have to follow this rule, right? So that is the idea. But what most people get wrong is they think multiplication has a higher priority than division, because PEMDAS, in PEMDAS like this, so here is PEMDAS. So M comes before D, before division, multiplication. And they think most people multiplication has greater priority than division, but that is wrong actually. Multiplication and division have the same priority. They are priority number 3, right? So priority number 1 is parentheses. After we solve all the parentheses, we have to move to the priority number 2, which is the exponent. Then multiplication and division have equal priority. But if they have equal priority, how should we solve them? If they come multiple times, like 10 divided by 2 times 5. So how should we solve this? Well, what we are going to do when we encounter this kind of problem is we are going to solve the problem left to right, right? So we will just simply do the operation left to right, as simple as that. So keep that in mind, and we are going to solve the problem correctly together. So here we have parentheses and division and multiplication. There is a multiplication, so we know that if a number is placed next to a parenthesis, that means multiplication. So there is a multiplication here actually. So 2 plus 3 is the first thing we should solve, because parentheses are priority number 1, so we have to solve them first. So 2 plus 3 is 5. And the problem becomes 10 divided by 5 times 5. And then we don't solve the multiplication first, because the division comes before the multiplication. And since division and multiplication have equal priority, we are going to solve the equation left to right, meaning we are going to solve whichever comes first. In this case, the division comes first, so we are going to solve the division first. So 10 divided by 5 is 2, and 2 times 5 is equal to 10. And the final answer to this question is equal to